In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create menu tabs with drop-down pages in Wix. By the end, you'll know exactly how to organize your site's navigation so visitors can quickly find what they need. First, open the site you want to edit in your Wix account and head into the Wix editor. On the left-hand toolbar, click the Pages and Menu button. This opens a panel that works like your site's table of contents. You'll see all your pages listed in the order they appear in your site menu. Think of this panel as your control center for building clean, nested navigation. Before moving anything, take a moment to plan. Decide which page will be your main tab in the menu, such as Shop or All Shops. Then choose which pages should live under it as drop-downs, like All Products, Sales, Categories, or New Arrivals. Keeping names short and consistent helps your menu look polished and easy to scan. Now let's create your first drop-down. In the Pages and Menu panel, click the page you want to turn into a subpage. For example, All Products. Drag it slightly to the right and place it beneath your chosen main page, like Shop. As you drag, watch for a subtle indentation line. That line tells you the page is positioned as a child of the main tab. When it's indented, click the three dots next to the page name and select Set as Subpage. This confirms to Wix that the page belongs in the dropdown and ensures it behaves correctly in the menu. Repeat the same process for any additional drop-down items. Drag each relevant page under your main tab and indent it to the right. Then set it as a subpage. Keep all of them aligned at the same indent level so they appear together as a single drop-down list when visitors hover over the main tab. If you want to control the order of the items, simply drag them up or down within the indented group. When you're done arranging, click Preview at the top right to open a live preview of your site. Hover over your main menu tab, such as Shop, and confirm that the drop-down appears and that each subpage opens the correct content. If something isn't in the right place, return to Pages and Menu to adjust. You can drag items up or down to reorder, or remove a page from the drop-down by dragging it back to the main level until the indentation disappears. That's how you create menu tabs with drop-down pages in Wix. By using Pages and Menu, dragging pages into subpage indents, and setting them as subpages, you can build a clean, easy-to-navigate menu that makes your site feel professional. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!